Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quantsapp. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 17,412 minus 0.49% is where we should shop. 40,490 Nifty Bank Futures. We should shop minus 0.14%, minus 57.70. Well, the SGX Nifty is pointing to a 28 points cut as we speak. Still getting away from that 17,500 mark. So 17,500 is a crucial level on the hard side, which is going to be the litmus test today. Looking at the charts, major levels on the hard side, of course, you have 17,800, 18,000, 18,150. Supports being 17,200, 16,927, 16,764. These are the major levels, technical levels as we speak on the charts. Looking at the futures of why, you are seeing a short which has emanated yesterday. So there has been a reasonable amount of shorts which have come in. So, and on an overall basis, it's going to be in a short covering, short, and then short covering possibly cycle as such. Well, looking at the options open interest, 17,400 happens to be a substantial call over, but then 17,500, 17,600, 17,700, and 17,800. You have a continuous series of resistances there with substantial open interest on the strikes of calls. As far as support is concerned, you have 17,400, which is the immediate level. And post that at 17,200 and 17,000. Well, looking at the Bank Nifty charts, we are seeing 40,000, 41,000 and 42,036 happen to be the stiff points. Of course, 40,500 would be an intermittent level to keep a watch on, but I would say 41,000 and 42,036 is the two levels on the higher side. On the lower side, you have 39,597 and 38, which is 39,500, 600 range, and then 38,520. Of course, 39,000 is going to be the psychological intermittent support zone on the lower side. Well, looking at Bank Nifty, you have shorts which have erupted yesterday. So let's see how that pans out. You have a series of longs also, which is kind of a mixed bag here. You have shorts and you have longs, and then you have some long unwinding, which has happened earlier on, which has not been substantial long unwinding as such. Okay, looking at the open interest picture from options end. You are seeing 40,500 and 41,000 are the two major levels on the call side, call open interest respective strikes. Substantial put OI at 40,000. So that's going to act as a stiff support as such. And then the next major level is 39,500. Top gainers and losers, Adani Enterprises, Z Limited, Adani Ports, top gainers. Vedanta, Cipla, Hindalco, top losers of the day. Well, looking at the index contribution, you are seeing 43 points, close to 44 points, negative contribution from oil, 12.94 points, negative contribution from pharma, 14.18 negative contribution from metals, 23.18 negative contribution from IT, marginal positive contributions from auto, cement, and infra as such. Well, looking at the sectoral built up as such, media, infra, cement are the sectors which were on the long side or possibly closed on a closing basis were on the long side. Metal, oil, pharma on the short side. Well, all these tools are available on Quantsapp. You could go to web.quantsapp.com in order to sign in out there, or there could be an iCard popping up. You could click on that to sign up for these tools as such. There are 20 plus free tools which are available at no cost whatsoever, but they are certain important skeletal tools of option trading as such. TCS, one of the stocks which is on a bear pressure. So you could see 3317 as a major support zone, and then 3266 as a next major level. On the higher side, you have 3406 and 3466 as the two resistance points. TCS, you have shorts which are there built up. So you had a short covering cycle, and then you have shorts again. Looking at the options OI, 3,400, 3,500 happen to be the stiff levels on the higher side, and 3,300, 3,200 are the major levels for TCS on the lower side. BPCL, another stock which is under bear pressure. You could see the support zone is close to 315, and 302 is the next major support zone. Resistance considered is 328 and 338 respectively. BPCL, well. So you not have a substantial OI there. So let's see how the positioning on the options is. So you are seeing a substantial call OI at 350. And then there is reasonable OI on strikes of 340, 330, and 320 also for that matter. And there is substantial put OI at 320, 310, and 300. No stocks in the ban list. Before I wrap up the session, I would like to highlight to you, please consult your financial advisor before participating in derivatives, and also follow strict stop losses while trading in derivatives. We discussed about Nifty range in the sense the Nifty technical levels as such, and looking at Bank Nifty also, we had given out the levels. Long built up, sectoral long built up, media, infra, cement. Short built up was metals, oil, pharma. TCS and BPCL, two stocks under bear pressure, but then you have to remember the important levels to be broken. That's when you start participating. Don't preempt and participate. That is one important aspect to note. In ban list, there's none. Well, that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.